Hello everyone, I'm student meteorologist Alex McAvoy here in the Cal U Weather Studio, and I'll be giving a short medium range forecast for this week. So looking at this, we see the current temperatures are about 53 degrees in Pittsburgh, which is quite mild for this time of year. We see about 75 degrees in southern Florida. So we'll be looking at the radar now. So there's not much going on currently. We only see a small system up in the northwest here, which will be moving and progressing its way across the northeast. So looking at the future radar after this, we'll give this a second to load. So press play here, and we would see this. There is a small system of rain and snow near our area north of us, but this is what we're going to be focusing on, is this northwest system moving its way across the northeast, bringing a bunch of snow and rain into portions of the northeast and the Midwest. So here's how this system will progress right there. Let me go on to this. So this product is courtesy of Weather Bell. This shows the 2-meter temperature anomalies, which is the departure of temperatures from normal. So currently the northeast, most of the northeast is above normal by about 2, 3, 4 degrees. And also the west and down in Arizona is also about 6 or 7 degrees above normal for this time of year. And through the middle of the United States here, we see a little bit colder temperatures, which makes sense because there is snow and rain in that area, which will be making its way into our area. So this is what we are seeing for today. We see these warmer temperatures making their way up from the south into our region, and we are seeing a little bit of snow to start up in southern Canada, and there's some rain north of Pittsburgh. So what are we looking at for tomorrow? And that is this major storm that I said will progress its way through. We're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow, but the boundary is right here. The boundary cutoff is the mix here between rain and snow. So this is the line for the warming, which we will see in the future. So this front will stall out, leaving some rain over this portion, and it will be having snow up in northern Michigan and Wisconsin also. But we will stay warmer in about the 70-degree range. So this is the line. This is where we can expect the cutoff of snow and rain to form, and that's why we will be staying dry, because we won't be having any snow or even rain. The rain will be north of us. So here's the snowfall we can expect Tuesday into Wednesday night. Some areas, Casper, north of Omaha, can be getting 6 to 12 inches. And then the most we'll be seeing is 12 to 18 north of Green Bay in Wisconsin there. Chicago looks like it is just out of the range of any kind of snow. So this is another Weather Bell product, and this is valid for Friday, March 25th. We see this surface low will progress its way through. This actually is a 850 millibar level, so it's right above the surface. It will be progressing its way through and up off of the northeast, and that is a system that will have all this snow and rain with it. So as we can see, it just progresses farther to the northeast, and we'll be sitting in an area of high pressure. And then there's this is for Saturday, valid at 2 p.m. Saturday for our Eastern time zone region. So going on to accumulated precipitation, this is for 6 days out. We are looking at the heaviest hit areas up by Toronto and in Wisconsin here. We could see the most amount of precipitation, maybe even up to 3.5 inches of it. We aren't going to be seeing much rain or any type of precip in our region, maybe about 0.5 to 0.8 inches, with most of it staying dry. So here's also what NCEP is predicting for the winter storms. This is the total amount of accumulated snowfall that we can be seeing, that is predicted to be seen up in Wisconsin, southern Canada, and Michigan. We have the highest is about 10 inches. So what we're looking at here is another Weather Bell product. This is a 2-meter temperature and precipitation probability. So what we can expect, this is for Pittsburgh. This is for the Pittsburgh National Weather Service Center. And we're looking at this trend of warming, even up to about 66 degrees for between Thursday and Friday, but we will be having a little bit of rain between Thursday and Friday.